So welcome back to Coding CEO, the channel where I empower you to become the CEO of your own coding journey. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Java programming. As this is just the first video of Java programming tutorial, I will introduce Java to all of you. Java is a versatile and powerful language used to build a wide range of applications from web development to mobile apps and even enterprise level software. So if you're ready to explore the language that powers the digital world, stay tuned. Java is renowned for its write once run anywhere. So the write once run anywhere of Vora philosophy, meaning your Java code can run on any platform with a Java virtual machine. This portability makes it a good choice for developers worldwide. Moreover, Java offers robust memory management and exceptional handling of errors, ensuring reliable and secure programs. Now you might ask, what is programming basically? Oh, programming. It's just a magical incantation you type into a computer to make it do your bidding. Because computers are totally fluent in ancient code languages and love deciphering our vague instructions. Not really, right? So programming is a process of creating sets of instructions. So basically, it is nothing but sets of instructions we provide to our computer. We call it as a code in our computer language. So this code that a computer can understand and can execute. It involves writing and organizing these instructions in a way that accomplishes specific tasks or functions. Programming languages such as Python, Java, C++ are used to communicate with computers and give them directions on how to perform various operations, from a simple calculation to complex tasks like running applications or websites. It's like giving a detailed recipe to a computer so that it knows exactly what steps to follow in order to produce the desired output. So as you all heard, I have mentioned various languages like a Python language, a Java programming language, C++ programming language. There are lots of C# language. There are lots of programming language in this world. But among all this, why a Java programming language? You absolutely need to learn Java, because who wouldn't want to spend their precious time mastering a programming language that's only been around since the prehistoric era of computing? I mean, come on, it's not like there are any modern languages that are more powerful, versatile, and widely used, right? Not really. So learning Java can be incredibly beneficial. So Java is a versatile, object-oriented programming language that's widely used in various industries, from software development to mobile application and enterprise level application. As I mentioned earlier, its Vora, the write once, run anywhere capability allows programs written in Java to run on different platforms without any modification needed. Thanks to the Java virtual machine, the concept we call it as a JVM. Additionally, Java has a strong community support. Extensive libraries and frameworks make it a robust choice for building a complex and scalable applications. Finally, as one of the most in-demand programming languages in the job market, learning Java can open up numerous career opportunities and set you up for success in the software development. Now, talking about the history of Java programming language, the language has a fascinating journey that spans several decades and involved key players in the tech industry. Java has a story begins in the early 1990s. So in early 1990s, when a team of developers at Sun Microsystems, including James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patrick Norton, started working on a project known as Green Project, which aimed to develop technology for consumer electronics. Their initial focus was on creating a programming language for interactive televisions, but as the project evolved, they realized the potential of their creation in other areas as well. So, after moving in 1995, the team unveiled Java to the world, marketing it as a versatile programming language that could run on various platforms. Language has tagline "Write once, run anywhere," highlighted its ability to run on any device with a compatible Java virtual machine, that is JVM, allowing developers to avoid the complexities of platform-specific code. So basically, you can say that in 1995, Java has revealed to the world of programming. Sun Microsystems actively promoted Java and it gained significant traction, especially in web development. The introduction of applets, which were small Java programs embedded in web pages, brought interactivity to the early web and was a precursor to modern web applications. Moving further, in 1996, the Sun Microsystems released Java as an open source project. So in 1996, Java has become an open source language, further contributing to its widespread adoption. Over the years, Java evolved with new versions and features staying relevant and adapting to changing technological landscapes. Moving further a lot, in 2010, Oracle Corporation, you may heard this name a lot of times, right? So Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems, taking over the development and stewardship of Java. Despite some legal disputes and disagreements with the Java community, Oracle continued to advance the language. Throughout its history, various companies and communities have played a role in Java's development and success. Sun Microsystems initially led the charge. Oracle later took over, and companies like IBM, Red Hat, and JetBrains have contributed to the Java ecosystems through tools, libraries, and frameworks. The Java community process, that is JCP, has been essential in shaping the language's direction by involving various stakeholders in decision making. Java's history is marked by its adaptability, portability, and continuous evolution, making it a foundational language for enterprise software, web applications, mobile app development with Android, and many more. Its enduring popularity and influence in the programming world demonstrate its significance in shaping the modern software development. Throughout this series, we will cover a wide range of topics, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of Java. Here is a glimpse of the concepts we will explore. First of all, we will discuss about what is JDK, JRE, IDEs, and a lot about computers and how it processes the program, everything about the programming, the Java programming, the JVM, how it works, and all the IDEs examples we will take. Basically, there are a lot of popular IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text. But in this course, throughout this tutorial, we will be using IntelliJ IDE. Next, basically, we will explore about the Java fundamentals. So we will dive into essential topics such as understanding the memory unit in computers and how Java's Bora philosophy enables cross-platform development. We will explore the heart of every Java program, the main method, and learn about variables and data types. Additionally, we will cover typecasting, naming conventions, operators, conditional statements, loops, user input using a scanner class, and even have much more fun with star patterns. Next, we will cover the most important point, that is object-oriented programming OOPS concepts. mastering OOPS concepts such as classes and objects, understanding JVM, Java Virtual Machine data areas, method overloading, method overriding, encapsulation, constructors, static keyword, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and delve into using the final keyword for added controls. Next, we will talk about what are the arrays and what are the strings. We'll learn how to work with arrays and manipulate strings effectively to process the data efficiently. After that, we will learn about interfaces and a special lambda expressions. So understanding interfaces and delve into the power of lambda expressions, a concise way to write anonymous functions. After that, exceptional handling. Learn to handle errors gracefully with Java's robust exception handling mechanism. After covering exceptional handling, we will cover a multithreading, which is nothing but to explore the world of concurrent programming and multithreading to improve the program efficiency. We will then go to the collection, that is a collection framework including lists, sets, maps, and many more to store and manipulate the data. After that, we will get to know the most important point in Java, that is file handling. We learn how to read and write files in Java, a crucial skill for real-world applications. We then go to a database and JDBC also. Connect Java with databases using JDBC and explore the database operations as well. So we get into the web development with Java Servlets, enabling you to create a dynamic web applications. We dive into Hibernate, an object relational mapping framework to interact with the database seamlessly. The last but not the least, we will cover about a Spring framework. So basically, we explore the powerful Spring framework, including Spring Data JPA and Spring REST, simplifying development. For the database handling, we might use the SQL or we might use the Postgres database. So thank you for watching this video on CodingCEO. I hope you are as excited as I am about this journey, a Java journey. Remember, you don't need any prerequisites for this free YouTube series. Just bring your energy and willingness to learn. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, join our incredible coding community. I am committed to providing you with a top-notch content, engaging examples, and a supportive learning environment. Remember, this is not just a tutorial series, it's an adventure where each of you plays a significant role. Let's embark on this journey together, supporting one another and celebrating every coding milestone we achieve. Thank you once again for being a part of CodingCEO. Stay curious, stay eager, and most importantly, keep coding. See you in the next video.